first grade friends, it's Miss Hess here. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you are having a great day. Well, one way to make the day even better is to read a good book. So I have a good book for you. It's a new one to my library. It's called Hello, Goodbye, and a Very Little Lie. And the author's name is Christiana Jones, and the illustrator is Christine Batuz. And if we look at the back cover, look, the character is saying, I'm not lying. What do you think this book is about? Right? It's probably a character that has a problem with lying. What is lying? Right. It's when you don't tell the truth. When you're not honest, right? That's what a lie is. So let's see what is going on with this character. Okay, here's our title page. Larry is a liar. Wow, that's a strong word. Larry, where are you? His mom called. I'm doing my homework, Larry lied. Does he look like he's doing his homework? Nope. Larry, don't eat all the frosting, his mom said. I'm not, Larry lied. Larry, why do you lie so much? His mom asked. I'm not lying, Larry replied. Why do people lie? Well, there's lots of reasons, right? There's lots of reasons for that. And I bet you can think of probably 3 or 4. I know when I was a kid, a little person like Larry, I was often afraid that if I told the truth, I would get in trouble. And what happened? My mom would find out the truth, and then I would get in double trouble because I told a lie, right? I'm creating a fictional story. Fictional means made up, right? I'm expressing myself. I'm telling a tall tale. A tall tale is another made up story. I'm stretching the truth. Oh, Larry, his mom said with a sigh. No one is going to listen to you if you keep lying, his dad said. Dad, people always listen to me, Larry said. At the park, Larry talked while the others played. Hello, I'm Larry. I built this playground. Goodbye. At the grocery store, Larry stopped stranger after stranger. Hello, I'm Larry. I grew these vegetables. Goodbye. What? At the library, Larry loudly exclaimed, Hello, I'm Larry. I have read every one of these books. Goodbye. What? One sunny Saturday, Larry was on his way to the beach when he saw a spunky little girl reading a magazine. Hello, I'm Larry. I can swim all the way across the lake. Goodbye. But before he could speed away, the girl stopped him. No, you can't, she said. Yes, I can, Larry said. No, you can't, she said. Yes, I can, Larry yelled. Prove it, she said. My ball floated to the other side of the lake. Go get it for me." Uh-oh. Larry looked across to the other side of the lake. The lake was really, really big. All capital letters and big font, right? Really, really big. "I don't see your ball," said Larry. "It's really far away," said the girl. Larry knew he couldn't swim all the way across the lake. There was only one thing left for Larry to do. He jumped into the water, turned to the small crowd, and declared, "Hello, I'm Larry. I cannot swim across the lake. I lied." "Goodbye," said the crowd, and they walked away. Oh, what do you think about those 2 pages? What do you think about him finally admitting that he had been lying? That's good, right? Huh, but people walked away from him. Larry felt all alone, but not for long. The spunky little girl joined him in the water. "Hello, I'm Lucy. My ball didn't float across the lake. I lied too. Goodbye." "Wait!" Larry yelled. "Do you think 2 liars could stop lying and be friends?" Larry asked. "No," said the girl. Then she started to laugh. "Ha! That was a lie. Let's be friends." And from that day on, Larry never, ever, ever told another lie again. Or so we think. What do you think? Did you like that story? What do you think the author's message was to us? Why did Christian Jones write that book? Well, there was lots of messages about lying, right? When I think about it, I think one of the things I got from that is, people don't listen to you very much if you're always telling lies, right? I noticed that he was always saying things and people just kind of ignored him. That was kind of interesting. But you might have thought of some other reasons too. That's the cool thing about books. We all get different messages from the author, just depending on our life experiences, right? Anyway, I hope you had a good story time. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.